Hello and welcome to a new video. So let's try better this one. So first of all, let's add a cube. Okay. So this is a cube, and say okay. Okay, let's just move it around a bit, a little bit, and a bird and bird. Okay, that's final. Having ever do collecting Rubic Cube because this Rubic Cube much more important for your picture for your 3D animation. I think plan is the most popular. Let's look at upon each of the corner of the site. Adjust the 16 boxes on the interface. Okay, now we need to select individually a face each other, and this face will be okay. Let's say okay, I got it. So this face must before we go here, and this give a Helen here, and let's end the material because I'm gonna choose a bright material. So first material is here, and next material is a okay. No, okay, this is blue color, and choose a little bit a sun color, and this is also an all red color. So red color is good, too good to see. Okay, another one is a jealous green color. RGBY, the most of the TV. Okay, yes, and another color. Okay, that's good. I wanna say that's okay. Okay to me. Yes, okay, yes, and yes, it's this one, I have a partner, but I have only this one, so this is good, good, okay, I think the color, okay, about color in the video, not capturing our color. Okay, let's get some ink and get some lighting. Go to light the okay. That's the point light is better option. Yes, just join and just uh, just increase the awareness of light. Okay, I got it. I think that's too funny way. Just but just don't forget the lighting. Okay, so this is the total tutorial. If there are any employee is going and please subscribe to channel. So next video will meet with a new topic. So that's good.